Hi guys, it's Vish. Welcome to my channel, and if you're new here, hello. So for today's video, if you can tell by the title, I will be doing an unboxing of my Unice unit that I did receive in the mail. I just wanted to let you guys know before you continue is that I did record on a new lens that I just recently received in the mail from Best Buy. It was my first time using it, so I didn't really know how to really work it, or I don't really know how to work my way around it. It does focus in and out quite a bit, so I did want to let you guys know. I do apologize about that, as well as the lighting. I'm only using a ring light right now, so I do look forward to getting some studio lights. Without further ado, let's continue into the video. Alright, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Before I start, I would just like to say that this is my second attempt ordering from Unice or Unice. I'm not sure how you say the company name. This is my second attempt. What happened was my boyfriend actually ordered me a, what is this? This is a pre-plugged Bodywave HD lace closure wig. The inch, I'm not sure. I believe it's a 24 inch. He actually ordered this for me for Christmas. It arrived maybe a couple of days before Christmas, if not a week, and there was a bald spot in the wig, guys. Yes, in the lace there was a bald spot, and he reached out to them and told them or whatever, and they asked, is there any way that we could fix it, if I could fix it? And I'm like, first of all, no, because I want to wear my hair, like I want to wear the style, the wig in a middle part, and there was literally like a bald spot like on this, like on the side of that. And I'm like, no, I can't fix that. And this unit was literally like about $330. So why would I want to fix something that shouldn't have came that way? So they told us that that as long as we ship it back and they receive it, they will send us out another unit, which they did. I just want to let you guys know that that is what happened, and I am giving them a second chance. But I decided to unbox this on camera and let you guys join the experience with me, because I want to know how good is their service, how good is their customer service. I see a lot of people saying that oh, you know, these companies are just out for our money. They only send, you know, YouTube gurus who like do hair, like the best quality hair, you know, that like the best units. And we're gonna see if there's some truth to that. I'm hoping it's not, but without further ado, let's get started. And I didn't even take this out of the packaging so you guys can see. This is how it came. Like I literally have not even, no, like we're gonna do this together. And I do apologize about the lighting, guys. I only have a ring light right now. I'm working on getting some studio lights, because I do know that the ring light is a bit harsh, and outside is really not much lighting either. So just wait on it. Do not fail me now. And this is from the Betty You series. The boxing looks like this. On the behind it, it says the right way to measure wigs. Just some general stuff about how to take care of the wig, like how to comb it, how to wash it. Oh, that's pretty good. Okay. All right. And now let's open it. Okay. It doesn't look like beat up or anything, like there's any dents in the box. Like the packaging is pretty nice. It looks pretty good. It looked like it was packaged with care. This is how it came to me. It comes with some lashes in it. These actually look nice. The funny thing, when I actually sent the wig back, I actually forgot to put the lashes back in there. So, oh, this one, I remember the last wig coming with this. This actually comes with, I think this is like a melting scarf. I know I see a lot of people use these. that's not important. Why am I'm literally excited about a scarf. Okay. And then it also comes with a wig cap, which is a nude, in the color nude. I'm not sure what this is. This came in the last one as well. Oh, these are nail wraps. Okay. Okay, these are nail wraps so you can style your nails. Okay. This is what I'm not sure about. I'm not sure what this is. I want to say maybe it's a wig grip. I don't really know how to use wig grips. I really don't even know much about the wig life, but I don't know. Let me know how to use that. If you guys want to give me tips or comments, let me know in the comment section down below. So this is the unit. And remember, guys, this is supposed to be the 5x5 HD 24-inch lace closure. Let me go ahead and open it. Okay. All right. Okay, let me just start by saying one thing that I really did like when I received the first unit is that I really liked how full this was. I believe the density of this, hold on guys, let me actually go double check that. I believe the density of this is like 200, I think. No, it's not in here, but I know this density is like, this is like bomb. This is like, this is really, really, really full. I really love how full this unit is. Like, look at that. Like, it's so pretty. It smells good too, actually. Oh, it's so bouncy. I just know this is gonna hold a curl. I've been wanting some Bodywave hair for a really long time, so that's why when I did receive the unit and there was a boss bite in it, y'all, I was so sad. Like, literally for Christmas, I did not have anything on my head. Like, oh my goodness, like my hair, I was walking around with a ponytail and a cap for Christmas, y'all. Yeah, they did me dirty. I'm not gonna lie, they did me dirty. But I've been wanting a Bodywave wig for a long time, for the reason being, like, I feel like they're more versatile and I feel like they'll hold a curl a lot better than straight hair. Like, I know that it's like kind of weird, like it's already a curl in, like why would you curl it? But I mean, look at this. Like, this is so pretty. It's so bouncy. It has a ton of body. I love that. I'm running my hands through it. I'm not really seeing it shed that much. It's not shedding at all, actually, so far. Now let's see. For it to be state that it's pre-plucked, it's an okay job. I mean, I don't expect it to come back like, you know, like, you know, I was to do it myself or something, but okay. The knots aren't bleached, of course. They didn't say that it was gonna come bleached. The knots are definitely not bleached. I do love how much space I have in the closure piece, actually. Like, that looks like that's definitely a 5x5. There isn't any bald spots, thank the Lord. Okay, you nice. I see y'all out here. And the inside, it comes with 2 combs. So, well, 3 combs actually. One on the side, one on each side, and one in the back. And it also comes with some adjustable straps right here so you can tighten it. And I've never really understood why these come with lace in the back. I'm not really sure about that, but so yes, this is the product. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. For this to be a 24-inch, I think there is some length to this. I won't really see how long it is until I actually like flat iron it. Hold on, like I'm trying to like put it on my head or something. Looking at it in the mirror right here. This wig is so full, y'all. Like, it is literally so full. So pretty. It smells so good. So, yes. So, I definitely would like to start by saying that I am very pleased with how they handled the situation. They weren't unprofessional at all. And they did, when we sent it back, they let us know they received it, and they were prompt in sending out another unit. And I'm very pleased with it. If you guys would like to see me install this or how I'll install it, let me know in the comment section below. I really only do closure wigs. I'm not even really too big on closure wigs or frontals. I'm really just starting getting into wearing wigs. I feel like wigs are also a blessing and a curse. I'm completely natural. It's just one thing that's hard for me when it comes to wearing wigs is the activities that I do. I sweat a lot. So, because I'm very active, I'm in the gym all the time. So, it's hard for me to keep on a lace because the glue is just going to come up if I'm constantly sweating. But I got this wig specifically for Christmas and my birthday. And I'm planning on going out of town for my birthday. So, I think it should work out fine. If I do a video on how to install this wig, it'd probably be a complete disaster. But I wouldn't mind sharing it with you guys. So, thanks so much for watching. You guys stay peachy. Okay guys, so this is a unit. I decided I want to give you guys a closer look. That's so pretty. Just look at the wave. It's so nice. It feels so good too, you guys. Let's get a close-up of the lace. I actually think this cap may be a bit too big. I'm not really sure how to fix that or what I can do to fix that. I don't remember them saying that they come in like a small or medium or anything. But then again, my boyfriend did order this for me. This is how it looks in the inside. This looks really good. I feel like I'll definitely be needing some, like, to tint it a bit, of course.